Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love unboxings and today is a quick little Sephora haul. You guys know that I'm on a no/low buy, but I went to shop for a particular thing and they also dropped something new and I kind of had to get it. Anyways, if you are new, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family here on YouTube, and we're gonna dive right in. The main reason that I headed over to there was to get the Elemis Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm, the Hydrating Cleansing Balm. And the reason that I went ahead and got this, I've tested the regular one. I've had the full-size regular cleansing balm from Elemis many times through the many years. However, y'all, I just got a little travel size in my Ipsy Glam bag, I believe it was, and I fell in love with it. The way that it freaking smells, you guys, it works the exact same way as, you know, the Elemis one does, but I like this because you take just a little bit, I kind of massage it onto my hands first and then go into your dry skin with a face full of makeup and you start just kind of manipulating it, and it starts off as kind of an oily balm at first, and then as you start to manipulate it and then you add water to it, it kind of becomes this amazing creamy cleanser, and then when you're done taking off your makeup you're left with hydrated skin. And I feel like that's the difference between using something like this, a cleansing balm, versus going in with multiple different things and kind of stripping your skin. But the way that that freaking thing smells, you guys, I loved it so much I had to purchase the full size. It is that good. I love it. Next up, I've been waiting for this and it keeps selling out and then coming back and then selling out and coming back. It's the Sephora Mini Supplement Case. And I got this because we go on vacation. It's not really vacation, y'all. We go see our grown son every couple months or so. But we go, to see our son, and or if we were to go on vacation. And I just wanted just a little something that was really small and really compact that I could stick in my overnight bag or in my purse, that I can put, my motion sickness medication or my Tylenol or whatever the case may be, so that I don't have several different little bottles of things. I can literally stick everything in this. And it's really cute. I love this. So I'm excited to have this. Next up, I also opted, and I hope I like this. I've been kind of batting zero with the fragrances lately. Y'all know what I'm saying? This is the Ellis Brooklyn, the Guava Granita Eau de Parfum. I'm actually going to smell this right now with you guys. I'm really excited. I will put the notes for y'all right here on the screen, unless it says somewhere on here. I don't believe so. But I am a fragrance junkie. I love fragrances, and if I can opt to buy a travel mini or something like that and save a little bit of money, I generally will go that route. I am actually going to spray it on this little sheet of paper first, and obviously the dry down on paper or wherever you spray it is going to be different than it is on the skin. Oh, that smells amazing. If you saw a recent Ipsy, then you know why I'm so excited about this, y'all. Oh baby, that smells amazing. I'm all about something that is gourmand, but I want a little bit of roundness. I want a little bit of creaminess, not just sweet on sweet on sweet. And that is perfection. Oh, I'm about to put some on right now. That smells amazing. That smells absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. If you have this, let me know. Comment down below and let us know. All right, so I got that. I've been hearing nothing but the most amazing things about Merit Beauty, and I've yet to really try anything from them. But I did see that they had the mini in their Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, and this just sounded amazing, you guys. Let's see. It has 2% niacinamide, 4 types of hyaluronic acid, caffeine-rich cacao seed extract. It's got Japanese gold thread root. It's pH balanced, and it just, you guys, from the reviews and stuff like that, everything about it sounds like something I'm going to love. And I have very dry textured skin, so I'm excited as heck about this one. Again, if you've tried it, let me know. But I did opt to just get the mini. I'm so excited about this, you guys. That looks really watery. I'm assuming you're supposed to shake it up. It's also not very full. It also looks like it's been sprayed or it leaked. I might need to see some reviews on this. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. And see if anybody else has experienced that. I expected for it to be a little bit more full than this. And I do not have my glasses on, so I'm going to try, yes, shake well after cleansing and before moisturizer, massage 2 to 3 pumps. Yeah, I'm excited. That's very watery though. I wasn't expecting that consistency. If you've tried this, please let me know. I'm almost kind of having a little bit of regret in this, so hopefully I don't regret it. Next up, if you know, you know, I'm 46 years old and I swear by skincare and sun protection. I am adamant about using sunscreen, even on my lips. This is the Supergoop, one of my favorite SPF brands, the Glow Gloss Vanilla Soft Serve, and it is an SPF of 40. And the Supergoop Glow Screen it's one of my all-time favorite sun care products of all time. I mean, I absolutely love it. That is so pretty. And I am going to swatch it really quickly for y'all. I want to see how thick it is. And I also want to see, does it have any actual pigment? That is quite thick because it's taken a second to come up. Very thick and dense. Very like almost petroleum jelly-ish. That is quite thick coming out. I can smell a little bit of SPF, but I am also getting that slight vanilla to it. And it does feel quite thick, so I do feel like it's actually going to stay on the lips. I would put this on my lips right now, you guys, but I have not taken pictures of this yet, and I don't want to disrupt what I already have on. I think I'm going to like that. I'll definitely update you guys. And then along the same route, I also picked up this. I've never tried, so if you have, please let me know. These are the Ultraviolet, the Mini SPF Mates. There's a Velvet Screen SPF of 50 and a Supreme Screen SPF 50. I got the little minis. The Velvet Screen is a blurring mineral sunscreen, a super soothing, softly mattifying skin filter. And then the Ultraviolet, the Supreme Screen, is our one and done sunscreen serving all day bouncy hydration. So I feel like if I'm maybe wearing makeup with this, I probably would maybe go this route, and then if not, and I want to do more like skin tint or bare face, maybe try this one. And again, if I can buy a mini, a sampler, something like that, I'm generally going to go that route first. But I do like that even though these are minis, I do feel like there's enough in here that I can get quite a few applications, you know, for the face, so I can really kind of determine whether I like them or not. So that's my little haul. And then my little samples that I got, you know, if you make a purchase through Sephora, you get 2 samples. I have the Versace Bright Crystal. And then I didn't get this. I generally get fragrances, but this is the Very Valentino Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 26 Light Lasting Perfecting Foundation. Wow, that's a lot to say. And it's a little card with those on it. And then I went ahead and turned in a couple of points because they had my favorite brand in there, the Supergoop Play SPF 50 Everyday Lotion. I can't remember if I've tried this particular one, but I like to have something like this I can keep in my car, keep in the purse, keep for like an impromptu thing that I can keep in my purse. But then, you know, I get invited somewhere or we're outside for a couple of hours. I want to protect my skin. You know what I'm saying? And then the other one, I turned in my points for the Fenty Hair, the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. I already went through a mini of this, raved about it to you guys. It's phenomenal. Smells great. Takes away all my frizz and stuff like that. It is lovely, you guys. So that was my other thing. Yeah, let me know if you guys have tested any of these products. What are you eyeing right now? What is something that is kind of a newer release that you're like, you know what, that looks like it's right up my alley? I'd like to know. For me, I'm all about, like I said, the soft, fruity or floral or gourmand type scents, and then I'm all about sun protection, sun protection, sun protection, and hydration. So yeah, that's my vibe right now, as you can clearly tell. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.